Hello everyone, today's video is how to bleach your face at home. The reason I am doing bleach on my face, first I want to lighten my hair that are already present on my face, and secondly I have acne scars, I have brown spots or dark spots on my face. So when I use bleach, they just bleach lightens them. So it works as a brightening agent, obviously temporary. It just fixes somehow your small problems for the time being. So the bleach which I'm going to use is Jolen. I bought this bleach from Dubai and I think it's written as from Esther Pharmacy, but you can find this bleach anywhere. I haven't seen it on Walmart or somewhere, but I think you can order it from Amazon easily, or if you are in South Asia, then you can easily found in any cosmetic store too. This bleach is 4 O's and it's a bigger jar, and I think it's more than 1 year that I have this jar. I do not do bleach every month, but if you want to do, you can do bleach every month. People do that. So with bleach you would also need aloe vera gel. If you have soothing lotion, it's better. I don't have right now. It has finished, but it's better if you have, at least you should have aloe vera gel. The next thing I'm using is rose water. It was in fridge, so you can see it's really cold. Bleach sometimes can burn your skin, so you have to put some soothing ingredient in it to save your skin. Then obviously you would need any small bowl, whatever, and a spoon, and then you would need a small sponge, water for this sponge to soak in, a brush, and this is another thing, which is vitamin E capsules. If you put vitamin E capsule in bleach, it gives a really good result. It actually not only brighten up your skin, but it also gives the glow. And I have used once and I actually love the results. So that's why I'm using this capsule, and it's Evian 600 mg I have. But if you do not have vitamin E capsule, it's not necessarily that you should. Then you would need additional thing, which is hairband or a hair clip, anything you have to just put your hair back, because we don't want to bleach our hair which are on our scalp. So you can use either this one, you can use this one. And if you are going to bleach on your neck and on the the back of your neck, then wear something which has deep neck, because bleach can leave a stain on your shirts and it can actually ruin it. So you should have something which you can wear. So what I do, I have this shirt which has a deep neck. It's actually not a shirt, it's I don't know what was it, but it's just like innerwear sort of, you can wear. So I always wear this. It has deep neck, so this does not ruin my dresses. There are a few things that I want to remind you before you start doing the bleach on your face. First, you should not do bleach if you have shaved your face at the same day. You should not do bleach if you have scrubbed your face on or exfoliate your face at the same day. If you use bleach after the exfoliation, it will burn your skin. So you can do after applying the bleach, then you can do the exfoliation, but not to do before. And your face, it should be clean, neat. It should not have anything on, like any cream or something. You can use some moisturizing cream. And another thing, if you are having lots of dry skin, then don't use bleach on the same day. Do something for your dry, dehydrated skin, because if you do apply bleach on your dehydrated skin, it will burn your skin. So these were the points which are very important before using bleach. Another thing, I have made one detail tutorial on before on my channel. It's I think 3 years before. I'll put the link and you can check that tutorial too, in which I actually mentioned different types of bleach. So there is one thing, Jolen, every bleach has an exfoliator, which is a powder sort of exfoliator, and then there is a cream. You can see I have used almost half of the jar. The exfoliator of Jolen cream is is way faster, and it's actually you know, it has the capacity to burn your skin. So the ratio is one. If you are taking 1 spoon of the cream, then you have to take 1/4 spoon of the accelerator. So what accelerator does, it actually speed up the process of bleaching on your face. So if you put the more accelerator, it will actually it will bleach your face in less time, but there is a chance that you will get the burns. So I will suggest you put bleach on your face for longer time and just don't burn your face. So how I do this, as I'm going to use bleach on my neck and the back side of my neck, and secondly I'm going to add the rose water, which will actually which will reduce the intensity of the accelerator. So I'm just putting a bit more. And another important thing is, my skin is not that sensitive, but if your skin is sensitive, just don't put too much, otherwise there will be red rashes. So this is the accelerator, it's a powder. It's difficult for me to say accelerator anyways. So I'm taking this big spoon, and I will take 2. We can always add more, it's not a big deal, and always close it. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add, it's a 1 tablespoon of rose water. I always dilute my bleach. If you're taking less powder, then don't add anything, otherwise there will be no effect. And I'm mixing it. Why I'm adding it in the powder? Because if you do not do, I have noticed the powder doesn't mix with the cream, and it just gives you the the limpy effect. I have added more rose water because I don't have soothing lotion. If I have soothing lotion, I would put 1 teaspoon of rose water and 1 teaspoon of soothing lotion, and I will add. So I have added 4 spoon of cream, and now I will use this brush. Okay, so you can see it's very creamy, but I need 1 more spoon of this. So I have taken 5 spoon of this mixture, and sorry, the cream, and 2 spoon of this accelerator or powder. If you are new and you have never done bleach, so please stick with the same quantity. If you do not, another thing, if you're not adding anything liquid like the rose water or anything like the soothing lotion, it will be more thicker, it will not be like this. Okay, now we are using our vitamin E capsule. After making this mixture, you have almost 30 minutes. After that, this mixture will not be as effective, so it's better when once you have made this mixture, just use it at the same time. Okay, so I have zoomed in, so you can see there are lots of hair there. I have hair too, this side, and there are some spots. So before using the bleach, what I have done, I have taken these small cotton swabs and dipped with cold water, and I'm just cleaning my face with it. It will cleanse your skin and make the procedure easy. And then with the tissue paper, just clean the water. So you can see I have tied my hair back. So the rule of applying bleach is, first you apply here on your neck, on the back of your neck. If you're applying on your chin area, on your chin and upper lip area, on your forehead, but you leave this part of your skin and you apply bleach in the end. You always apply bleach in the opposite direction of your hair. So my hair, they are facing down. I have applied in upward direction. I'm also applying it on my ear too, because we have hair on our ear too. And then on my neck area, the same thing, Then on your forehead, just stay away from your eyebrows if you don't want to bleach it. It's okay if it's just touching our hair. We will clean it up. It doesn't bleach at the same time. It takes some time to bleach, you know. You have to leave it. First, I will clean the bleach where I don't want. You can see the bleach has started its work, so I will quickly do on my cheeks too. The tingling sensation is actually a sign that bleach is working, and then just use your fingers to make the bleach work really well on your every small hair, and in this way it actually reduces the chances of getting burned. So right now I will stop talking and I will stop working. I will just work, and if you're feeling it has worked, just check it. Yes, it's getting red, so I'm just removing it from there. For rest area, I'm leaving it as it is. So my skin was actually a bit dry, that's why it has happened. And instantly I'm taking this aloe vera gel. So now I'm going to remove my bleach. I have removed it from my neck and the back area. And you have to use the cold water. So I'm using this white sponge, you can see. It's gentle, so it just does not. And another thing, I have put my aloe vera gel in a refrigerator, and I will show you what I will do with it. So I have removed the bleach from all over my face, and you can see it has gotten less red. It was so red at the time. And from my ear to these hair, they take time to bleach, so I'm taking this spatula. Oh, this one is actually from the okay. So after removing, I have seen they are still a bit, roots are still black. So let it apply again. And don't worry about these hair. They will not get bleach easily. And I will leave it for another 5 minutes and then I will check. So it's been 5 minutes and then we will check. I'm not sure either in camera you can see any black. Yeah, so basically they are bleached now. After this step you have to wash your face with the cold water. I have washed my face with cold water, and I had put this aloe vera gel into a refrigerator. It's up to you, but I have done it. Take a generous amount of aloe vera gel and leave it on your skin. So aloe vera will reduce any burn if you had any, and another thing, it will lower the temperature of your skin. Leave this aloe vera gel on your face around 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's totally up to you. And another thing I want to mention, if you get that red scar, a deeper one, just wash your face at the same time. If you are feeling tingling sensation, you will feel a little bit of tingling sensation, but if you are feeling a lot of burning on your face and you just remove a bit of the bleach and you feel it's getting red, instantly go and wash your face. And even after that, when you wash your face, you feel that there is some redness still on your face, just wash your face with cold water for 10 to 15 minutes and then just apply aloe vera gel and just leave it. Don't do anything else. There are a few things more that I want to explain. First, if you have done your bleach, either do it at night, or if you're doing it in the morning, then don't go to the sun. You're not supposed to go to the sun for around 24 hours. It was written in the bleach, I have read there. Because after applying the bleach, your skin will more likely to become, get sunburn. And if you're using the hot, like if you're cooking and you're using the burner for a long time, apply any sunblock, any good sunblock. I have this one. So if you like my channel, if you like my videos, comment below, subscribe. So we all are together in this self-isolation thing, in this social distancing thing. We all are staying at home. Stay home, stay safe, and if you have to go outside, do or take all the precautionary measures that have been told by all the all those experts. Just follow all those things, and I hope this thing will go over either soon or later, but it will go, I'm sure, very much sure. So bye bye.